Your neck isn't breaking. So what is that cracking sound? Every time you turn your neck and hear a crack, it can sound scary. But most of the time, it's completely normal. Inside your neck joints is a slippery fluid that helps the bones move smoothly. When the joint stretches, tiny gas bubbles in that fluid suddenly form or collapse, creating the popping sound you hear. Here's the surprising part. Once a joint cracks, it usually won't crack again for a few minutes because those bubbles need time to build up again. So, if it doesn't hurt, that crack is usually harmless. Subscribe for more anatomy facts